Hey guys, it is 5 in the morning and we're about to head out to the LA Auto Show. It's going to be the longest event we've done this year. I'll be there for 12 days straight. It's a 10-day show. So we're going out this morning. It's 5 a.m. and we're going to head to the airport right now. I got to go inside and grab my stuff, feed Moody, and head out the door. So see you in just a second. Alright, through security, on to Chick-fil-A for breakfast, because you gotta start every trip with some Chick-fil-A. So we're heading over to the C terminal, because even though we're in D, there's no Chick-fil-A. So we're heading on to the Skylink to go to the C terminal.
Please do not block the doors. Allow people to exit. Board here for all C and E gates. Please do not block the doors.
Next guest in line, please. Welcome to Chick-fil-A.
Okay, so My bad. You don't have to go to the C terminal to get Chick-fil-A. There's one in the D terminal. Yeah. I don't know what I was thinking. I guess I didn't even look up when I started over to the Skylink. I just assumed that there wasn't going to be one. So now you know.
For your non-medical order, 1085 service to Los Angeles. Thank you for waiting.
Morning. Thanks.
It's my pleasure to welcome to Los Angeles, where the local time is 12:09.
Oh, hey, what's
Traxxas
up?
Oatmeal
Hey, guys.
vlog.
Yeah, what's up?
No cussing.
LA.
We're here at LA, getting bagged. Mine comes out first because, you know, I'm awesome. Oh gosh. Yeah, that's right. First bag out. This guy's.
Don't worry, I'm second back.
What's up, guys?
Made it.
Made it to LAX, or LA,
X.
in the rental car, waiting on this guy to not hit us in his Mercedes. Check this out.
A little close.
A little close. No big deal though. He's a pro. He works here, so he's got it.
He's done this before.
So we're on to the LA Convention Center to set up for the LA Auto Show. So we're gonna see you guys there here in a minute. We're gonna stop and get some food though. Gotta get some nutrients.
All right.
Need a nutritious meal. So that we're gonna meet Thad and the other guys somewhere.
In the Sean show. Where's
The Sean Show. Thad is with the Sean and Sean Show.
Yeah. It's pretty great.
So anyways, we'll see you guys there. First thing you gotta do is go get some In-N-Out. So In-N-Out parking only?
Oh my God, we're gonna get killed by this airport.
For In-N-Out. Right by the airport. Okay, not too bad. Not too shabby. It's an interesting couch right here. Interesting couch. Checking in. What was that? First and last name?
For your vlog.
Social security number, phone number, email.
Yeah, put it all on there.
Logan, right?
Yeah.
Let's get a picture of that ID. Not festive. Not bad. Not bad. It's pretty neat.
Just one day? Just one night or?
Yeah, your card is like,
Oh, for the rest
like that with his initials on that, like yours.
Oh, okay. That's cool. Let's see how it is. Let's see how it is.
We're gonna go.
And I can validate your ticket for you.
every day.
Okay. It's his belly ticket anyways. Is it this or?
Yeah. What's happening?
Okay, you need to sign all this shit because.
I refuse. No.
I didn't want to put my card on file. I didn't want to put
I
my
can see
card
your
on file.
valid ticket.
This is it.
Oh, so you paid for it? Yeah. You had.
Do you need another one side for the other room?
Dude, this
Give me
is
your
the
man.
Holiday Inn, okay? You know? You're like, gotta do it right.
These aren't even my initials. I'm just scribbling stuff.
You're gonna be on the 5th floor. Once you get in the room, there's a like locked exit door. Put a key inside. There's no lights. Or you can put a no smoking card in there as well.
Just as in transit.
One more initial here and signature verified.
Look, Ryan, I've had enough of you. Where now? Just the sign?
At the top and a signature at the bottom. Alright, you're all set. You're gonna be on the 5th floor.
Finally.
And,
Awesome. Thanks, Ryan. Thanks, Milo.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Thanks,
I forgot
Sam.
we were rolling.
Thanks, Dad.
Cool. What'd I do? Right, let's go.
Thanks to Sean.
Let's go. What'd you do?
You didn't do anything. We were vlogging the whole time.
Oh, you're thinking? What you just did to my suitcase?
I didn't do anything to your suitcase? Suitcase. Let's go. What room are you in? What room are y'all in? 4. We're taking the next elevator. No, I'm not sharing with y'all. We're on the baller level, 5. I don't know why it's baller, but I'm gonna pretend that it is.
It's baller.
Of course it's baller. 'Cause we're on
Baller. Here's
it.
the deal. Baller is an attitude.
520 and 522. That's good.
We're right next to each other.
Yeah, we probably have conjoining door things.
Yeah, we just like party.
Yeah, we just leave it open all week and have one huge mega room.
No.
What do you mean no? I'm opening my side. This is a smoke-free and drug-free facility. Keep that in mind. Oh, we're here.
That would probably help.
Oh no, the next one. Oh, we don't have conjoining rooms, I don't think.
Suck.
Uh,
Bad. So sad.
it's so far away.
Oh no.
Me love. Me love, come back. Back, don't fall over.
It works. Oh my god, it smells good.
Oh, this is nice. Mine's already open. Hello? Ooh, check that out. Alright, not bad at all. Got this little partition, but no door. So you just close this door, so it's still one bathroom. It's nice. Look at this shower. Dang. That's nice. Real nice. What's up? Got the 2 beds for one guy. Got the refrigerator, TV. See what kind of view we're working with right here. Okay. Little Ferrari action down there. Not terrible. You know, oh, I got the pool. I don't think there's gonna be too many people swimming in that today or this week. Alright, so setup is done and we are gonna change and shower and you know, head out for dinner or something. So we'll catch up with you guys later.